Subject English Standard First. Hello students, my name is Mrinan More and today we are going to learn a new poem in English. Now before we start with our poem, just take a look on this video. What can you see in this video? Yes, very good. We can see a girl with the umbrella and it is raining heavily. Very good. So, now tell me, why do we need rain or what do we get from rain? Very good. We get water from rain. And do you know, water is very necessary for us. So, our today's topic is also related to water, is on water. So, the name of our poem is is life. What is the name of a poem? Water is life. Now, let's read a poem. Water is life. Do not waste water at home. Do not waste water at school. Let it be a rule. Plants need some water to grow. Animals need some water to live. Water is life. My role is not to waste water, but to make good use of it. Water is life. Now, in this poem, our title is Water is Life. Why water is said to be life? Because we can't live without water. We need water for so many things. If there is no water, we can't live. So it is said that water is life. Means water is equal to life. If there is no water, we can't live. So, do not waste water at home. Do not waste water at school. Now, all the time we are at home. So, we should not waste water at home. And at the other times when we are in the school, so we should not waste water there also. So, wherever we are, at home or school or anywhere else, we should not waste water at all. Let it be a rule. So it should be a rule. We should make it a rule. We follow all rules now. So we should make this rule and follow it. That we should not waste water. Plants need some water to grow. Animals need some water to live. Now plants need some water to grow. If you keep a plant in the sunlight and leave it, it will grow? No. If you give water to it time to time, then only it will grow because it needs some water to grow. Okay? And animals need some water to live as we need water to live, to drink and for other uses. Animals also need water to drink. So they also can't live without water. Water is life. Now you understood why water is life? Because plants need water to grow, animals need water to live, and we also need water for so many things. So water is our life. We can't think our life without water. My role is not to waste water. Now here my means we human beings should not waste water. My role means each of our role. Each of us must not waste water. Human beings' role is to not waste water, but to make good use of it. But we need to use water. So what we shall do? We shall do good use of water. We should not just waste it, but we should use only good use we should make of water. Where it is needed, there only we shall use water. Water is life. Now you understood the poem, Water is Life. We will just read the poem once again. Water is life. Do not waste water at home. Do not waste water at school. Let it be a rule. Plants need some water to grow. Animals need some water to live. Water is life. My role is not to waste water, but to make good use of it. Water is life. Now you understood? The poem Water is Life. Now let's see some sight words from a poem. Here are the sight words from a poem. The first word is waste. What is the first word? Waste. Second word is home. Home. Third word is school. 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 Fourth is plants. Plants. Next word is animals. Animals. And the last word is grow. Grow. Okay? So you know the words very well. Next is who am I? Here are some sentences written. We have to read it and tell who is this. Okay? So first is I need water to grow. Tell me who is this? Who needs water to grow? Second is I need water to live. What will be the answer? Think, think. And the third is my role is not to waste water. What do you think? Whose role is not to waste water? Who are they? Yes, let's check the answers. Here are the answers. First is I need water to grow and the answer is plants. Plants need water to grow. Second, I need water to live and the answer is animals. Animals need water to live. Third is my role is not to waste water and our answer is humans because it is our role to not to waste water. Okay? Now next is make sentence. Let's see the words and make sentences from there. The first word is water and the sentence I have written is we get water from rain. What sentence I have written? We get water from rain. Now you have to frame your own sentence from the word water and write it. Okay? Second word is rule. What is the second word? Rule. Now from this word you can make your own sentences and write. The sentence which I can write is we should follow our rules or rules are important for us. Such sentences you can make and write. Okay. Third word is live. L-I-V-E, live. So you have to make sentences from this word also and write it. So you have to make 3 sentences from 3 words. Water, rule and live. Okay. Now let's read the poem once again and revise the poem. Water is life. Do not waste water at home. Do not waste water at school. Let it be a rule. Plants need some water to grow. Animals need some water to live. Water is life. My role is not to waste water, but to make good use of it. Water is life. Now, I will read the poem and you all repeat after me. Okay? So let's start. Water is life. Do not waste water at home. Do not waste water at school. Let it be a rule. Plants need some water to grow. Animals need some water to live. Water is life. My role is not to waste water, but to make good use of it. Water is life. Okay, so now let's move towards the question and answers of our poem. Here are the questions. The first question is, what is the rule in the poem? What is the rule in the poem that we have learned? Second, how should we use water? What do you think? How should we use water? And the third question is, what is the moral of the poem? So, moral means what we have learned from the poem. Now, let's check our answers. Here are the answers. The first question, what is the rule in the poem? And the answer is, do not waste water is the rule in the poem. What is the answer? Do not waste water is the rule in the poem. Okay. Now second question was, how should we use water? And the answer is, we should make good use of water. We have learned in the poem now that we should only make good use of water. Okay. Here is the third question. What is the moral of the poem? What do you think? What is the moral of the poem? Here is the answer. The moral of the poem is, water is useful for everyone. You saw now in the poem, water is useful for everyone. Plants, animals, for humans, everyone. So this is the moral of the poem, that water is useful for everyone. So we should not waste water. From now onwards, you will not waste water now. Yes or no? Yes. Good. Activity for you. Say the name of each picture and match it to the letter that makes the beginning sound. What you have to do? You have to match the letters to the pictures which makes the beginning sound of the picture. So you know the pictures. What are the names of the picture? The first picture is of plants. Very good. Second picture is of school. And the third picture is of home or house, we can say. Very good. Now let's see our letters. Which is our first letter? Letter S. Do you know the sounds of letters? Yes. So what is the sound of letter S? Very good. So which picture we will match it? Yes, to the picture of school. Okay, S, school. Second letter is letter H. So which picture we will match letter H? Very good, to the third picture, that is of home or house. Because letter H makes how sound? First sound. See, home, house, home, house. So H letter. Now the third is letter P and L. To where we will match these letters? To first picture. Very good. Plant. See, it is making plants sound. Plants. Plants. Okay. Good. So, this is how we have matched our letters to the correct picture. Now, let's see the next activity. Here is the next activity. Match the uses of water. What you have to do? Match the uses of water. Here at one side I have given the different uses, and at the other side the pictures. You have to match it correctly. So the first use is drinking. Very good. What is the first use? Drinking. So where you will match it? Good. To the corner picture, because the boy is drinking water in that picture. The second is washing clothes. Now where you will match that? Yes, to the below picture, because there someone is washing clothes. The third use of water is bathing. We all take bath na daily. So bathing is also one use of water. Where you will match it? Yes, in the corner, up picture. The boy is bathing so happily. Now the fourth one, watering plants. Where you will match this picture? Yes, here. You can see there they are giving water to plant. Okay. Good. Now let's check your homework for today's class. First is read the poem. The poem which we have learned, water is life. You have to read the poem carefully and practice reading it. Second is draw a picture of rain and color it. What do you have to do? Draw a picture of rain and color it. Rain means any picture of, you can show rain is coming, many something other, girl, boy getting wet in rain, enjoying in rain, something else, water going towards the sea of rain. Any such pictures you can draw and color it. Okay. Thank you. I hope everyone enjoyed our poem and everyone will complete their homework. Okay.